Hi everyone. So today I'm going to review Genji Love Lost in Transactions, written by Amitabh Kumar. So it is more than just a story. It's a moving reflection on the silent sacrifices that parents make for their children, set against the past-faced tech-driven backdrop of Genji life. And this novel beautifully contrasts the emotional disconnect of the younger generations with the unwavering and often unnoticed love of their parents. The author here crafts a narrative that pulls you in a relatable character, emotionally raw situations, and moments that make you pause and reflect. This novel hits home for anyone who ever, overlooked the quiet love of their parents in the noise of their own life. So, a must read for every generation to understand, to feel, to appreciate the real meaning of unconditional love. So, it's a great book.